LIC policies. Some give bonuses, others promise guaranteed returns, but what's the real difference? A participating policy, or PAR policy, shares LIC's profits with you. How? Through bonuses. Each year, LIC declares a bonus per 1,000 rupees sum assured. These accumulate over the years, and at the end, you may get an extra, the final additional bonus. Non-PAR or non-participating plans don't give bonuses. Instead, they offer fixed guaranteed additions declared right at the start. You always know what you'll get. No surprises. No profit sharing. Let's compare them side by side. Let's understand these better. Bonus is equal to declared annually per 1,000 rupees SA. FAP is equal to final additional bonus paid only at the end. GA is equal to guaranteed additions fixed yearly, not dependent on LIC profits. Term plans are different. They're pure protection policies, no bonuses, no maturity. Some term plans offer return of premium, but at a cost. And what about ULIPs? These are linked to the market, no bonus, no GA. ULIPs offer potential growth, not certainty. Most are non-PAR, though a few traditional ULIPs may have PAR versions. Here's a breakdown of LIC plans based on type. Which one should you choose? Different plans for different goals. Pro tips. Bonuses are not guaranteed, depend on LIC's performance. FAP varies with sum assured and term. Surrender value is usually higher in PAR policies after a few years. Non-PAR plans are more predictable but may give slightly lower overall returns. Now you know the real difference between PAR, non-PAR, term, and ULIP plans. Use the smart, all-in-one calculator to compare real returns and make confident decisions. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Insurance Funda, and share it with your fellow agents and policyholders.